Number 11, you have 6 photos to be included in an album. In how many ways can you arrange them? All right, so you have 6 possibilities for the first photo, 5 for the second, 4 for the third, and so on. And once you have decided on the first 6, you only have 1 left, and so you have no choice but 1. This is 6 factorial. It is a surprisingly large number. The answer is 720 different ways. Okay, so that is many different ways to arrange 6 photos or 6 things. Number 12, oh yeah, this is permutations, right? Number 11. 11 is a permutations problem. Number 12, 3 books will win this year's book award. If there are 6 books nominated, how many ways can you choose the 3 winners? And the 3 winners are not ranked. Okay, in other words, the order is not important. The 3 chosen books will have an equal value. It does not matter which one is called first. So this is repetition not allowed because you can't have 1 book win 3 times. Repetition is not allowed and the order is not important. So this is a classic combinations problem. And so if the order were important, then you would be choosing 6 times 5 times 4. There are this many. That's 120 different ways to choose 3 books in a particular order. Okay, there are 120 different orderings of choosing 3 out of 6 books. But remember, the order is not important. So among these 120 permutations, 6 of them would be exactly the same. So they come in groups of 6. So you have to divide this top number by 6, and the answer basically is this, right? Because the denominator is 6. And so the answer is 20. And the answer is 20 different ways to choose the 3 winners. Number 13, you pick 1 card randomly from a standard deck of cards. There are 52 cards. What is the probability that the card is an ace? You have 4 aces out of 52. And so the answer is 1 over 13. You don't have to find the percentage, by the way. Number 14, classify the response to each as quantitative or qualitative data. In what state do you live? States are not numerical, and so this is qualitative. These 2 words are so similar that it's almost confusing, right? All right. Quantitative means numerical. Qualitative means attributive, like characteristics. How many years have you lived there? You can take the average of the number of years and so on. So this is quantitative. How old are you? You can find the average ages and so on. So this is also quantitative. What is your occupation? Jobs cannot be added or quantified. So this is qualitative. What is your favorite type of music? The same thing. It is qualitative because it's not a number. What is a placebo? What is placebo effect? Okay, so this, maybe I'll just write down some statements in English. That may be a more appropriate way to write the answer here. A placebo is a fake treatment, like a sugar pill. You don't have to say that, and it doesn't have to be a sugar pill, but for instance, a sugar pill without an active ingredient, right? A placebo effect is the psychological effect that leads to improvement just by assuming that real treatment is given. Okay, so you're taking a fake pill, but you don't know that. You think you're taking a real innovative, pill that's supposed to cure your headache or something. And as a result, because you think you should be better, you do get better, and that is called a placebo effect, right? Okay, so that is number 15. So in the next video segment, we will start at number 16.